Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix if iMessage not activating on your iPhone. Step 1. Check internet connection. Make sure your iPhone is connected to strong Wi-Fi or mobile data. Open Safari, try loading a page. If it does not load, fix your internet first. Step 2. Turn iMessage off and on. First go to settings, then tap on message, then turn iMessage off. Wait for 5 seconds, then turn it on again. This refreshes Apple's activation system. Step 3. Make sure date and time is automatic. First go to settings, then tap on general, tap on date and time. Enable set automatically. Incorrect time can block activating. Step 4. Check your Apple ID. Go to settings, then Apple ID, scroll down, then sign out. Reset iPhone, then back in. This resets iMessage authentication. Step 6. Make sure your number is activated for SMS. iMessage activating requires normal SMS to work. Insert your SIM into another phone to confirm SMS is working if needed. Step 7. Reset network settings. If nothing works, go to settings, tap on general, tap transfer or reset iPhone, then reset. Choose reset network settings. This won't delete your data. After trying those steps, your iMessage should activate within 5 to 10 minutes. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.